welcome back to the channel. I know I have been on and off when it comes to YouTube. The reason being is because I have been on a journey of sorting my life out since January. I've been vlogging it, so I've been to B&M. I've literally been vlogging, it's just I've not been uploading regularly, and now I'm back. When I tell you I am back, you guys, I am definitely back on the routine, to the point where I, as a person, me personally, not the family has their routine, I personally have a morning routine for me. And yeah, I think I might do like a dedicated video on that as well. But like, your girl is doing like a life change, so that's what's been happening in the background, and I've just been like filming snippets of it. And because it's getting to springtime, I feel like my videos that I've been filming is like perfect for the time of spring. So yeah, today's video is just gonna be things I've been doing the past couple of months to like just reset my home. And I'm still doing stuff even now, but it's just now it's like I'm able to like manage everything. I feel like before it was just a lot of stuff needed to be sorted out, and now it's like there's just things here and there, and I'm setting like specific days when I like tackle those things. So let's get on with the video, and I hope it inspires you guys. again, as I said before, I have been filming, so there's videos. Me and the kids went to B&M. I've got some homeware bits, and yeah, I'm off to Primark today. I'm not gonna film it, but I'm just off to Primark to get one thing, but also at the same time I'm gonna be looking around to see like what stuff I want to get, because yeah, again, just part of like me resetting myself. I'm checking out the pajamas department because I've got my pajamas, they're right in front of me here drying. They are still Primark pajamas, but I feel like I just want better pajamas. So even for the kids as well, you saw that the pajamas presentable, just like normal, nice, simple. They look like nightwear, but like put together nightwear. Yeah, that is what I'm going for with like within my home, and when I purchase things in general, just going for things that look more elevated and more nicer and not just cheap looking. And yeah, so I hope it inspired you guys. Plenty more videos to come. I am looking at uploading twice a week, but definitely, and I will do 1 week, and then soon it will be 2 videos a week. So take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Look out for my next video for definitely.